Hi friends, did you know that the stars are falling right now? Yes, look at this. The crow's ash trees are dropping their beautiful seed pods and they're opening up into these lovely stars. Now you may remember that I made a tutorial on how to use them and make them into Christmas decorations for your tree or for your table. But today, let me share with you my special one that I found. I hope it stays together, but look at this one. It's a double seed pod star. It stayed together when it fell down on the ground. Now, isn't that special? God is amazing. Look at these beautiful, beautiful seed pods. Anyway, have fun collecting the stars.